What? No, no, yeah. That is card not working there.
Why is it not working?
No, yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie O. If you're new and you haven't seen any of my old videos, do me a quick favor, go down below, smash up the red subscribe button, and while you're there, don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Guys, today's video is going to be an interesting one because I'm just going to be showing you my life in London. Like, I'm going to be taking you guys through, you know, what I do usually, what I get up to while I'm in London, just all of that good stuff. It's going to be a pretty chill video as well, so I hope you enjoy it. It's currently Monday and it's around 12 noon, and I'm going to meet up with one of my friends because we're going to brunch. I don't know, I haven't eaten today, so it's brunch for me. I don't know if she's eating. So yeah, we're going to a restaurant. I'm going to take you guys along with me, and afterwards I'm going to just let you guys know what I get up to anyways. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to go get my jacket now and then we can leave. Okay guys, so I'm on the way to go and meet up with Liza now. She's been waiting for me actually. I'm sure I've delayed her. Ooh, it's cold and I don't even have my jacket buttoned up. I'll be fine, man. I was born in this weather. It's a lie, I was born in heat. But I can make it work. Let me find her, catch up with you guys. Oh my gosh, guys,
What's up?
Guess who? Can your fame ever? Okay, we're about to run into some people. Some people are not looking where they are going. Oh my gosh,
literally
guys,
everybody in the UK.
This is Liza.
Hey babes, hey people.
Liza.
What's up?
Oh my gosh, yes guys, we're off to eat Korean food now. I've never had Korean food. I'm a bush girl.
What she does is about
All I know
rice.
is pounded yam, jollof.
something new, so why not?
Okay, let's see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. We're going to get the train now to where we're going, and yeah. And the rice and the what and the what and the what.
Okay, we can have meat and rice. But I want to get rice
So
cake.
this meat doesn't come with rice.
No, it doesn't come with rice. It's on its own. And then me and you will split the first.
Okay, yeah. And then you then get your side of
Rice, yeah. And the side of rice is like £2. So it's one small bowl of rice.
Okay,
Then you choose the meat.
we can do that. We can do that. We can do that.
What you have to.
We are calculating your phone. So what's the place called, guys? We're Nyonga.
Nyonga, I think that's what
Am I pronouncing it well?
Probably.
Nyonga.
Nyonga.
Nyonga. Please, if I'm butchering the pronunciation, pardon me.
Wait, to forget.
Anyway, so we're going to get the modamgui. Start with water, and then if I need a drink later, we can do that. Then come and take our order, please. We're hungry. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the rice cake. Liza the chef cooking our food.
So will cook will be very sweet.
Don't be sweet. There's no Maggi in this food.
No, they've already seasoned it.
Without
This one is rare. Let me tell you just that.
it's actually good.
Probably so good.
It's actually so good. Just have a bit of your noodles. Listen, guys, chopsticks are not for me. You go the real old-fashioned way. Gas noodles are nicer than soap platter.
This place is a proper restaurant.
Thank you. So you take a bit of meat, take a bit of rice,
a bit of sauce,
take a little bit of this stew. You put this stew on top, like that.
Fold it up like this.
Fold it up. Wrap it up. Can I wash it, please?
Radisha?
You need someone to wash plates.
You're not okay.
Okay. And then you wanted to say joke. I thought she wanted to say. I thought she wanted to say it didn't go through again.
Get money back.
No. And I'll just be like singing or washing plates today. Even in death. Oh guys, that food, I loved it. I loved it. That's actually my first time trying Korean food, and it was really, really good. Can't lie, it was really good. We're going to, where are we? We're at Oxford Circus.
Carnaby Street.
Carnaby Street.
So we're gonna go to Benefit.
We're gonna go Benefit. Oh yeah, so we're gonna go to an ice cream place as well. So I'll catch up with you guys. Oh, we're in front of Too Faced. We're gonna go into Too-Faced. Benefit.
Okay, this is a 7-minute walk.
7 minutes? 7 whole minutes?
She's the Nigerian, the African is cold in the UK.
Ah, it's not both new.
But you're wearing cardigan, why do you want to zip up?
Because it's cold.
Okay, let me help you.
So we're going to the ice cream place now. We're gonna get some ice cream. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Before you finish, I want to
Oh my gosh, I'm dizzy.
Let's watch.
Free from all 14 major allergens and vegan. We're here, guys. They've not opened. They've opened.
It's 2. Popcorn and caramel and the gooey vanilla.
Why are you copying me? Shut up. What the hell? Popcorn and caramel. Yeah, I'll just have the same thing, honestly. I'll have caramel sauce.
Should I go sit with that?
I'm knitting.
Enjoy.
Thank you. We're here. Okay, guys. We're having vegan ice cream because we can. Vegan ice cream. Guys, do you think I'm going to be fast?
It's vegan ice cream. Should be fine.
So guys, we're done with the ice cream. It was really good, and I'm actually lactose intolerant, so this is good to have like vegan ice cream.
And it tastes like normal ice cream. I
Yeah,
didn't even know it was
it tastes
vegan.
like it tastes like normal ice cream. It doesn't taste bad at all.
It's lovely. Eureka!
Eureka! My sweet princess. We're gonna be out of here soon because you have work as well.
My work starts 4:30.
So what's time now? Alright guys, so I've left Liza. I'm on my way home. And stations are so bad. Like this is what rush hour is like. Stations are hella packed. There's so many people heading down now.